and happy 2022. I'd like to start this video with an apology though. I haven't uploaded in the past month or two, and there's a reason why. I've been extremely busy. I've been on trips about all December, and well, you know. Well, anyway, we're gonna go look at the fire alarm systems. Head in here first. Like I said, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Really apologize. This is my standalone security system, kind of fun to work with. See, you arm it like that. Go ahead and disarm it. So, yeah, pretty neat. Here's this exit sign I'm taking down later. Put it down in a few other reasons. I got all these at Home Depot yesterday. I got this big boy, this edge-lit exit sign. I got this commercial electric LED red/green exit sign combo with battery backup right here. And then I have this edge light, and then down here I have this little emergency light, and I can actually show you this. So there's a sneak peek. But yeah, I got all this at Home Depot yesterday. There's what it will look like in color. Got this little smoke alarm. Thought it'd be fun to get. I like to call it the baby smoke alarm. This is kind of heavy, one-handed, like me, who doesn't work out. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I got this, and I have this cord here, and I'm going to recycle the one off of here because the edge that's going up in the attic where my little workshop is. Over here's the other fire alarm system with the EST pull station in here. So, of course, since it's New Year, we will go ahead and activate everything, but I'm not going to keep everything going real long. So, like I said, sorry I haven't been posting lately, and of course, you need to wear proper ear protection, so let me get this in. Got different coating on this. Coating meaning this takes so much energy. I should get the keys out of here. This uses so much energy that it is actually really wasting the battery. Like, it runs it down a lot. So that's why I'm only pulling it now. So it's because of all this nonsense. So you'll see that in the video. Got my earbuds in here. So, whoa, spoke too soon. So, you get a different end on those. Yeah, those feel good. Here we go. Happy 2020. I need to explain this. This is all stored. Ooh, my earbuds came out again. I need to get some more light on in here. This is too low too, so that's the reason I'm taking it down. As you can see, it's set on 1575 candela, but the reason it isn't going off is because it'll only go off once every little bit because this is taking all the energy. So we'll go ahead and reset the pull station. Alright, we're done with that. Moving on pretty quick. Let me grab a flathead. Go ahead and pull the one in the closet. We won't let this go for very long. And for fact, I should probably. Alright, we're good. We need to. I actually don't do that right now. I don't need to get this out. So yeah, you're about to see this is going to be extremely light. Let's get the flashlight on. Alright, are you ready? I know you are. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I need to get you safe. It doesn't seem to be bothering him that much. Yes, very loud. Go ahead and cut everything off. Like I said, this is 1575 candela, so very bright. I can hear it from out here. I'm glad I have these earbuds in. Yeah, 1575 candela is very bright. You know, let's activate 2 pulls. Oh, it can't even do this one. I'm gonna short the battery big time with that. Can only do 1. Oh well. That thing is getting on my nerves with my flathead. My flathead. You've blared long enough. Okay. The alarm is off, so are the earbuds. Lay them over there by the exit signs. Shiloh is relieved. And we'll go ahead and latch this boy up. Okay, now that we've done our downstairs one, it's time to get cold and go to the upstairs one, but I can get my torch on so you can see. It's Willock in S. And in fact, right as I speak, I got EST SIG coming my way from K.B.A. Also, where I put it, I made a security system demonstration, just if you want to see it. That means it's ready. I picked European siren. You had options. Turn off the security system. Alright, let's go upstairs and do our system up there. And I will be mounting this where the exit sign is now. And putting this combo here above the door. This edge that will go in the attic. And this will too, because there's no emergency lights up there. And that's where we're heading now, so. Turn everything off out here. I keep setting this up. Oh yeah, we do need these. Didn't know I zoomed. Not much of a difference, I guess. Oh. Huh. There we go. I know, it's okay. This is very rare for where we live. Get this finished. That's bright for generic, honestly. I will make an exit sign video here soon. I'm going to start uploading a lot faster now. Standalone's good. If you're on the tight budget, I consider it. Like, I mean, it's not like I can't afford one, especially like a green one. But here I got an old standalone one, so, but it has a speech effect. nor shine like you can. Yeah, it's kind of cool in here. Why did it do that? So let's talk about what I have up here. So, I know y'all don't like to hear this jingling. Here's where I had the old exits done. Here's this one, which I used to have. Oh. Yeah, everything's sort of a mess. Here's the security system siren. Why the heck is it up here? I have no idea, but it's not like anyone's going to hear it up here. So starting off, this system is sort of a system sensor theme. And the edgelet's going to be going right there, because I don't want it where you can smack your head. So first of all, we have a spectacular freeze right here set on 75 K.B.A. strobe only. I don't have any horns, but I will on January 6th, thanks to my good friend K.B.A. I won't tell the seller. Why am I in the description? Here we have a simplex pulse station, which I hooked up with this electrical tape, but it sort of wasn't that good a job, so it came undone. And you're probably wondering, why don't you put this all in conduit? Like, why don't I have conduit running up here instead of this wire? It's like I need conduit coming up. Well, the answer to that is we're going to be moving this next month. So, I mean, I kind of don't need conduit. And I didn't get like a big old box for these batteries because, after all, we're moving. And that's just going to be more to take down. You're the sorry kid who slaps something together and calls it good. I mean, just look at all this garbage. But, like I said, got a plan. So, I don't have a panel hooked up here either. Anyway, right here is something I came up with. It's a little battery holder. When I went to Home Depot to get those exit signs, I got this holder, put it on this back box back here, this blue Carlin back box, and used it to store 9-volt batteries. It will hold another one right in there, but I don't have another one. Well, I do, but I just haven't brought it up here quite yet. Okay, for the pulls, we have a notifier fire systems. This is just called a fun pull. When I have friends, they like to pull this so it doesn't set an alarm off. Got this back box for it. I have all the wires. The furnace had to come on right when I was up here. As you can see, I have a wire going up to, I bet you can tell what this is, this back box going in right there. And then I have a system sensor mini horn, and I actually still have the box, so this is it right here. Oh! Sorry, I shouldn't have done that. I guess I leaned on that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That really wasn't sage. Okay. Yeah, spectral alert, that's what I meant to say. So, yeah. That is a cool looking box. Yeah, I got one like this coming, except it has a horn. I always like to put my alarms back in the box when I store them in my alarm box. I also have this generic exit sign box, the one that's in my room for a few hours, take it down. And I'm using it as a few diffusers and face plates and arrows I keep in a little jar I made myself at our church in my room. And then up here I have this system sensor spectral advance, and just to not make it look so trashy, instead of a back box I have the wires running out, and I drilled holes through the